Hi guys, I'm Evan, and I'm having some fun with my computer. Alright, let's try something. Let's try Marble One. Let's try this one. And who will win? I don't know who's gonna win. Wow, look at the marbles go! How can we go back on the Lego map one? Oh, here it is. Look at the marbles go. Who's gonna be at the lead? Out of the Lego map one. Blow it. We're getting the lead. Blow it's in the lead. Out of the Lego map one. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Look. Jose Casas the marble. And Lenny else in second. That's gonna win. Yeah, I'm so excited. That's good. Yeah, I'm so excited. Wow! Look at this. Look. And Sky Blue's left to the marble. Now, look. Oh, right. Let's see who we got there. Elise Blowett, 2 votes of Calcite, 4 Cola Crusher, 4 Lemon Yellow, 5 Fifth Color Green, 6 Snowball, 7 Space Black, 8 Midnight Blue, 9 for Lego, 10 Tall Grass Bears, 11 Percent, 12 Snowball, and 14 Sky Blue. DF Luminescent, DF Alphas. Let's watch another pop on YouTube. Let's watch this one. Look. Black Celeste. Now, the quill. Blue, green, white. Now, look. Black's in the lead, followed by yellow and red. Now, the quill. Wow! Look at the marbles go! Yay! Good. Let's watch something cool. Let's watch Gabby's channel. That one.
Sprained, which is very nice. Thanks for looking out for me, besties.
And Gabby.
But yeah, it's probably sprained or twisted or something like that.
Okay. Okay, now it's all done. Bye-bye. All right.
Did you do it?
Yes.